The most common pitfall that I see is people assuming that they represent the majority of the standard users on their website. My recommendation for that would be that you take a step back, try to look at your website as though you are a brand new user and you've never seen it before. If you can't do that, then I think that you should try and find someone who definitely is a brand new user to your site and ask them what they think.
Short snippet on how to improve conversions on your website is to actually approach web analytics from the other way around. So before you actually look at the web analytics package, have a brainstorm with your team, work out what the problems might be, and then look at each one of those problems in turn and look for ways you can improve them using your web analytics package. The problems you identify and want to improve on, go away, test some things, and then the next month review the results.
Firstly, too often companies fall into the trap of it being all about them. A big tip is actually instead start with the classic market research and think about your target audience. What is it that they want to know? What are their needs? What worries them? And trying to use that to really provide compelling, outstanding content.
So first of all, the thing that people typically want to see is either what you do or case studies. So people come to your site, and it's really crucial that the homepage says very short, very succinct, here's what we do. Next, it needs to showcase some of your services and some case studies, examples of work that you've done before. If you can get all of that above the fold, the very first thing that users see, people will appreciate that. And they'll likely be able to quickly read what you do and then click into the site.
My top tips really for what I would consider best practice would be to always use data to make your decisions for you. And that applies both in advance of building a website and if you're implementing a marketing strategy after the launch of a website.